Hey guys, welcome back to the Reds channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the 2024 Elly Cruz 2050 Foco Reds bobblehead. 20 home runs and 50 stolen bases when he hit that mark during the season and joined that prestigious club. Was able to pick up the lineup card. The game used dugout lineup cards from that game. So that's pretty sick to have that. And then obviously get the bobble no matter what added to the collection. Super hyped on this one. Let's dive on into it. Check this thing out. Tape on there. Get this off real quick and then get into it here. Here's the base first. It's a super sick base. Love this base. So you got the Reds logo on the back right there, and then you got the backdrop is an actual like base. You can see it right there. The backdrop is an actual like base as the backdrop. It's pretty sick. Then you get the Reds embroidered logo right there. Thick, looking good across the back. And then you got on the bottom, you got 20 home runs, 50 stolen bases, Elly Cruz, August 6th, 2024 against Miami that night. So I have that lineup card to match up with it. And then I got number 33 of 96. Only numbered 96, and that's it. Super hyped on that. Base is looking good. And then here is the bobble itself. Right here, Elly in the gray road jersey, looking good. All of his jewelry on, wristbands, elbow guard, Evo shields. Super sick. Looking so clean. Great size, great quality to it. And the running stands, obviously. 44 Elly Cruz. Great size, great quality bobble all around. Let's go ahead and get this off the little screw here and get it into the base and check this thing out. Super hyped on this one. All right, let's get this in on the base here. All right, there it is. Got it in the base. 2024 LA De La Cruz 2050 bobblehead. 20 home runs, 50 stolen bases. August 6, 2024. Looking good in the gray road jersey. Super sick, super clean. Great size, great quality to it. Number 33 of 96 added to the collection. Another great addition to the collection. Super hyped on it. Another great Elly bobble done as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, check out the next one here soon, and go Reds.